Then in 1957, on the 14th of January, on the Makar Sankranti day, the title of 5th Jagadguru was given to my Gurudev, Jagadguru Shri Kripalu Ji Maharaj. He was only 34 years of age at the time. The scholars of Kashi, these are the greatest scholars of the scriptures, they invited that young man who was born Ram Kripalu Tripathi in Mangarh, which is a tiny village, part of the district Pratapgarh, and it's situated very close to the major city of Allahabad and the holy city of Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, India. Sri Ram Kripalu Tripathi had never studied the scriptures. He does not have a guru. His formal education came to an end at the age of 16. He was chosen as 5th authentic Jagadguru in the history of Kali Yuga on the most auspicious day of Makar Sankranti, 14th of January, in 1957 by the 500 most proficient scholars of the scriptures. These 500 scholars are part of an organization called Kashi Vidwat Parishad. Now, what happened was that 200 years ago, the scholars of the scriptures, they held a meeting and they decided that they would form an organization so that some great personality would not have to go all over the world holding debates, scriptural debates. They thought, if we, the biggest scholars, if we form an organization, this would be an organization of the most learned scholars of the scriptures. If we form an organization and we are the members, then all that someone has to do is to satisfy 500 of us. And then he or she would be declared Jagat Guru. And so the 500 scholars of Kashi Vidwat Parishad invited a very young man, Sri Ram Kripalu Tripathi, to Kashi, and they requested him to speak on the scriptures. He spoke for 10 days, not only in Hindi, but also in Sanskrit. And after 10 days, the scholars met, they had a meeting, and the chairman asked the others, who amongst you is going to challenge this young man to a debate of the scriptures? And there was a hushed silence. No one spoke. Then one of them spoke, saying, how can we hold a debate with someone who is not a human? He is not a human. We cannot debate with him. He is a God-realized soul. He is a Mahapurush. His knowledge is unlimited. We cannot debate with him. So is it agreeable to everyone that he is Jagadguru? Does everyone agree with this? Are there any exceptions? Does anyone have any objections? Then they decided that they should check the fact that Sri Maharaji is truly 34 years of age. And so representatives were sent to his birthplace. And they met with his mother. They asked for his birth certificate because they were thinking, perhaps he is a yogi who changes his body every few years. And maybe he's not 34 years of age. But no, he is 34 years of age. Then they did an extensive research and they found out that his formal education had come to an end very early. And they also ascertained that he did not have a guru and that he had never studied the scriptures. So, equipped with these facts and also with what they had heard from the young man, there was no doubt left in their minds that the young man was a great divine personality who had come to the world to uplift others. And so on 14th of January in 1957, the 500 most learned scholars of the scriptures, all members of Kashi Vidwat Parishad, bestowed the greatest honor of Jagat Guru upon Sri Ram Kripalu Tripathi, and from that day onwards, he has been known as Jagatguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj. This was after 10 days of listening to his most scholarly lectures. Now, Jagatguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj was not only given the title of Jagatguru, he was given the title of Jagatguru Tam. That means that the 500 scholars accepted him to be the greatest of all Jagatgurus who have come to the world so far. They said, you excel not only in knowledge, not only in devotion, but you excel in both of them, in knowledge as well as devotion. And you reconcile the philosophical contradictions contained in the scriptures. And there is a very long and lengthy title that was bestowed upon Jagatguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj. Srimad Padvakya Pramana Paravarin Ved Marga Pratishthapanacharya निखिल दर्शन समन्वयाचार्य सनातन वैदिक धर्म प्रतिष्ठापन सत संप्रदाय परमाचार्य भक्ति योग रसावतार भगवदनंत श्री विभूषित जगतगुरु 1008 स्वामी श्री कृपालु जी महाराज. That is the full title that Jagatguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj was given by the 500 scholars of Kashi Vidvat Parishad. Jagatguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj is 88 years of age at present, and we are all very, very fortunate that we are living during his lifetime. So often we think to ourselves, I wish I was living in the times of Adi Shankaracharya. I wish I was living when Guru Nanak Dev was here on earth. I wish I had the association of Raman Maharshi or Ramakrishna Paramhans. We don't have to wish for all this. We have a divine personality in our midst. I urge everyone listening to me to derive benefit from the association of such a great master. The Jagatgurus of the past have always been descensions of God himself. Adi Shankaracharya is widely accepted to be the descension of Bhagwan Shankar himself. And so in this way, all these Jagatgurus have been accepted as descensions of God. So I leave it to you to decide who Jagatguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj is. Srimad Sadguru Sarkar ki Jai. Jai Shri Radhe.